So hello guys, welcome to this new video. I hope all of you are doing really good, and today is Sunday, so maybe all of you are taking rest, and I hope some of you might be preparing for the market for tomorrow, right? So today I am here with I am here to show you the strategies which I used to follow on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and how I work is I don't play all the time in market in indices. I go for Nifty and Bank Nifty, or I target Nifty and Bank Nifty only if the opportunity is there. So this video will be in English, and I hope all of you can understand it. And I just wanted to show you one strategy and how I used to play with Nifty. If time permits, then we will go for a Bank Nifty also. But this strategy, it will work in all Nifty and Bank Nifty. In stocks, there are least chances of working, because as I always used to say, stocks, there are chances of getting manipulated because it's controlled completely by the company, the stock company and the board. So chances are very less that this strategies will be effective. But in indices, especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it works very good. So without wasting time, I will show you. See, first of all, you have to set all these chart patterns. I will do a separate video if you need, or if you want to know how to set the pivots. So this is a trading view, and on the right side you can see I think there are lots of noise because most of the cars and vehicles are passing nearby. So you can see this is my portfolio on the right side. These all are my main stocks, and apart from this I have some other stocks where I used to work on based on breakout patterns and the chart patterns. So I use the combination of strategies, my own strategies, and the breakout patterns for the stocks. So I have I'm using different strategies for stocks and equity. I'm using different pattern, which is like most of the time trend pattern, breakouts and all, 52 weeks. This is a combined package, combined strategies. And for the indices like Nifty and Bank Nifty, there are different set. So let us see how to work out. So I'm going to show you one of my strategy on 18th of the August on Nifty. So here how I traded. See, first of all, you have to understand, you have to calculate in advance how the market will be. So the pivot, the CPR plays a very important role. My strategy is completely based on price action followed by CPR. So CPR plays an important role. See, if you see, this is a normal medium range. In medium range CPR, there are two possibilities. Either the market will be sideways or the market will be in a trending. Okay, now if you see, this is here also, it is a medium one. But we will see there are very narrow CPR. In that narrow CPR, if you get a narrow CPR in Nifty and Bank Nifty, 90% of time the market will be trending. Okay, so there are less chances for sideways. So here how I traded is like, as I always used to say, we have to make days high. We have to mark days high in my strategy, which will be here. Okay, and I always used to mark it with green color because days high is something like this days high shows it is a green zone. Okay, now what was my strategy is like, the market opened with a gap up, right? So as per me, I don't focus here because the market is on gap up and it can come down anytime. So I will leave this kind of opportunities, and what I will do is I will go to the stocks, then I will target the stock. This is how you can succeed, because if you start to focus only, if you make a mind like I will play only in Nifty and Bank Nifty, then there are chances you will lose the money. So here I left because I know, and you can see the market was going sideways. Then after making some profits or losses, whatever in my stock, in my equity. I came back, I checked. You have to check regularly. So I found like there is a downtrend is coming up, right, on this resistance, which became a support. Right here, it was a support. Then again, there was a red candle. So it was a resistance. So here I found there is an opportunity for downtrend, but I didn't shoot because as per my strategy, I was waiting for this day's high to be broken. So once here the day's high was broken means what? It's a long candle and the day's high was broken. So obviously the sellers are more into market, right? They are pushing down the market. I shooted here. I kept the stop loss in the previous previous candles high. Here I kept it. Okay, fine. Then what will be my what I say, the target, right? Now my target will be 2R, or in my case I can't go for 2R because you know the CPR is there and there are huge chances that there will be turnaround from the CPR, especially from the central pivot. These two blue lines are pivot and this is the central pivot. This combined is known as CPR. So I took a position here, and what happened, I will show you. Oh, sorry, where is this short position, right? See, I I took my target up to the central pivot. So what was my ratio? 1 is to, almost 1 is to 2 I covered. So even if you wait, it can go further down, but as I said, always follow your risk reward. Once you retain or once you gain your RR, then you can quit the trade. So this is what I did. Okay, now I will show you another example. Here you can see on 23rd. Okay, this is the narrow CPR which I was discussing. See how the trend was there, right? So again, the strategy I used day before, I just made this one, and this is the wick you have to take, right, in case of the filtering. This is very important. And what I did is, so you can see I was just waiting for the trend to come down. I didn't short it here because I would not want to take the risk. You can't predict anything, right, whether it will go up and down. So I was just waiting for this, and once this candle broken, I have taken this here and in the middle, because it's very long. Either you can go for this in the on the topmost here, but again the risk will be high, right? So I used to take on to the half, almost in the first portion of this, the previous candle, or the half of the previous candle I used to take. So here you can take, and again this was my CPR, was my target. So see how much I roughly, oh sorry, this it's a problem with the tab. Okay, so this was the half, and you can see almost 1 is to 2. So up to this, so I had set a limit. Once it touched the CPR, central pivot, I closed the deal. So this is how guys, you can make a very good profit using some sort of strategies. So there is you have noted, right, what are the advantages of using the strategies. You don't need to know the trend pattern, the breakouts and all. You have to just mark the day's highs and low. This can be used by anyone, even child can use this. But only thing is, you have to wait for the opportunity. And yes, sometimes it fails. I'm not saying the strategy will work 100% more, but in my experience 90% of the time this will work, right? And you can see, even if it fails, what you are going to lose. See, you are going to lose only 17.17% you are losing, and you are gaining 0.40% here, right? So there is nothing. You are losing only small one, but believe me friends, if you win, it will be 2 times, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So stay tuned to the channel for more updates, and don't forget to check our swing trades, which every day I used to post. So see you soon.